This is my Basset Hound Gracie snoring. Gracie. Gracie. Oh, hi. You awake now? Hi, Penelope. Gracie, you're totally snoring. Yeah. Stretch. Hi, girls. Are you half awake? Hi, Pen. Yeah, why don't you guys go out and go potty? Good morning. Good morning, Sunshine. What happened to your other eye? Did you sleep on your face? Did you sleep on your face? Oh, you guys are silly. Hi, Gracie Goose. Did you know right next door to you, your sister's giving birth? Ginger's new babies. Ginger. Ginger girl. Ginger. Ginger. Hi, Mama. Oh. Hi, Pen. Are you proud of Ginger? Hi, Ginge. Okay, yeah, you guys go out and go potty.